Hoylman. We have a number of bills on the agenda today, so unless there are anything anyone wants to say before we begin, let's begin. And the first bill on the agenda is Senate Print Number 149A, Senator Gallivan, an act to amend the tax law in relation to a credit for employment of persons on probation or parole. And I should note that we have proxies from each and every member on this committee. And so, are there any questions or comments? Are there any votes in the negative?
No.
The bill is passed and referred to Finance. Next, print number 431, Senator Gallivan, an act to amend the public officers law in relation to Erie County Stadium Corporation complying with the open meetings law. Questions, comments? Any in the negative? Bill is reported. 602, Senator Little, an act to amend the tax law in relation to establishing a forestry stewardship and habitat conservation credit for personal income and business franchise taxes. Questions, comments? Any in the negative?
Nope.
The bill is referred to Finance. Next, print number 716, Senator Rivera, an act to amend the executive law in relation to granting the Attorney General jurisdiction to investigate and prosecute police misconduct. Other questions, comments? I understand we have some votes in the negative.
Yeah, Golden, Murphy.
Myself.
Yourself and Carlucci's, I without rec.
So,
That's a vote for.
so the three negatives, one without rec. Is there a...
I'm sorry. And O'Mara.
And O'Mara.
Yeah, sorry.
So four in the negative,
Yeah,
one
four
without
without.
rec, three in the affirmative.
Mhm.
So it's 4-4 under the rules of the committee. The bill is defeated. Correct? Is that?
Yes, that's correct.
It's
yeah.
4-4?
Mhm.
Okay, the bill is defeated. Next, print number 1683A, Senator Little, an act to amend the tax law in relation to granting sales and compensating use tax exemptions for certain tangible personal property and services used in the operation of recreational skiing facilities. Questions, comments?
Senator Squadron's in the negative.
Senator Squadron in the negative. The bill is referred to Finance.
And Senator Hoylman and then.
Senator Hoylman also in the negative. The bill is referred to Finance. Next, print number 2262, Senator Gianaris, an act to amend the public officers law in relation to prohibiting reimbursement of campaign committees and legal defense funds for defense costs incurred on behalf of state employees. I am without rec.
O'Mara is in the negative.
Senator O'Mara in the negative.
Mhm.
Any others in the negative?
No.
Any without rec?
Senator Murphy.
Senator Murphy without
Well,
rec. The bill is referred to Finance.
What's the vote total on that? Just so.
Just O'Mara's in the negative.
Okay.
Next, print number 2692, Senator Golden, an act to amend the tax law in relation to establishing the Caregivers Assistance Act. Any questions, comments? Any votes in the negative?
No.
The bill is referred to Finance. 2961, Senator Ort, an act to amend the tax law in relation to providing an asbestos remediation tax credit. Questions, comments?
My only question was, I'm surprised there's no fiscal impact on this one. I mean, I know you're not sponsored the bill, but.
Is there a...
We can get back to you, Senator, on that. I think there is one on this one.
didn't
It may
see
not
it
be
in
on it may not be on the sponsors memo, but I think we may have an
Because
internal.
I think we're talking about a considerable sum, which I think we should know.
Yeah, can the committee please forward information to the extent of a fiscal impact to Senator Hoylman, please?
Thank you.
Any in the negative?
No, Squadron was without rec though.
Senator Squadron without rec.
And I'm without record.
Senator Hoylman without rec. The bill is referred to Finance. 2985A, Senator Ort, an act to amend the tax law in relation to providing a tax credit to farmers who purchase biodiesel fuel for the operation of their farm equipment.
Squadron without rec.
Senator Squadron without rec. Any negatives? Questions, comments? The bill is referred to Finance. 3112A, Senator Ort, an act to amend the tax law in relation to creating a wage tax credit for employers who employ New York National Guard men and women, reservists, volunteer firefighters, and EMS personnel. Questions, comments? Any in the negative?
Nope.
The bill is referred to Finance. Senate Print 4573, this is my bill, an act to amend the tax law in relation to taxpayer relief on cell phone taxes. Questions, comments? Any in the negative?
No.
Any without rec?
Nope.
The bill is referred to finance. 4574, my bill, an act to amend the tax law in relation to sales tax on clothing and footwear in cities with a population of 1 million or more. That's our city, Senator Hoylman. Any questions or comments? Any without rec? In the negative?
I did have,
Yeah.
my only concern, Senator, was just the amount is high. I mean, in my opinion, but so I'll be without rec. I need to look at that a little more closely.
Senator Hoylman without rec.
Thank you very much.
Um,
I'll talk to you more.
Sure. The bill is referred to finance. That was 45. Senate Print 4617A. I'm going in order, aren't I? Yes. This is my bill as well. An act to amend the tax law in relation to exempting institutions of higher education from the definition of employer for purposes of the Metropolitan Commuter Transportation Mobility Tax. Other questions or comments? Any without rec?
No.
Any in the negative?
No.
The bill is referred to finance. Print 6249, Senator Ort, an act to amend the tax law in relation to establishing a credit for geothermal energy systems. Questions, comments? Any in the negative?
Senator Squadron is without rec.
Senator Squadron without rec. The bill is referred to finance. Print 6369, Senator Klein, an act to amend the tax law and the insurance law in relation to credits for premiums paid for long-term care insurance policies. Questions, comments? Any in the negative?
No.
Without rec. The bill is referred to finance. It's a finance day. Print 6697, this is my bill, an act to amend the tax law and the insurance law in relation to the tax credits for premiums paid for long-term care insurance. Questions, comments? Any? No negative votes. The bill is referred to finance. Print 6703, Senator Golden, an act to amend the tax law and the insurance law in relation to the tax credit for the purchase of long-term care insurance. Questions, comments? Any of the negative?
Nope.
The bill is referred to finance. Print 7025, Senator Venditto, an act to amend the tax law in relation to exempting coin-operated tire inflation equipment from sales and use taxes. Questions, comments?
Squadron is without rec.
Senator Squadron without rec. The bill is referred to finance. Senator Espaillat, an act to amend the public officers law in relation to requiring open meetings and the internet broadcast of open meetings of each state authority where practicable. Questions, comments, any in the negative? The bill is reported. Senator Hoylman, print number 7303, Senator Hoylman, an act to amend the tax law in relation to requiring written notice of the collection of a tax levy to be provided by registered or certified mail. Questions, comments, any in the negative? The bill is reported. That completes today's agenda, and we shall adjourn the meeting.
Very much.
Thank you, Senator Hoylman.
Yeah, I was just thinking, do you think that
What do I have?